how to enable cookies on your iPhone or Android. It is valid for both phones. Before we head to the video, make sure to leave the subscribe button. It really helps. Also, let's head to the video. So for example, once you open your Chrome, on the top right you'll find these three dots. Click on that. Once you click on that, you scroll down and here you'll find an option of settings. Click on that. Once you click on settings, you have to scroll down and here you'll find site settings. Click on that. Once you click on site settings, you have to scroll down and here below the option content you'll find third party cookies. Click on that and here it shows allow third party cookies, block third party cookies, and incognito mode, block third party cookies in general. So you can choose whichever you want. You have to choose to allow third party cookies, and this is how you enable cookies on a phone. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.